What's the meaning of clotting factor? Clotting factor. Clotting factor.
Clotting factor. Clotting factor. Clotting factors are proteins in the blood that work together to form a blood clot and prevent excessive bleeding. There are 13 different clotting factors that must be present in proper amounts for blood to clot normally. A deficiency or malfunction of any one of these clotting factors can cause bleeding disorders, such as hemophilia. On the other hand, an overproduction or abnormal activation of clotting factors can lead to unwanted clotting, which can result in conditions such as deep vein thrombosis or stroke.